how to invite friends in Need for Speed. If you want to race with your buddy, here is how to invite friends in Need for Speed by just using your phone. Let's open the Need for Speed application. From the main screen, you have to tap onto the friend, social or crew icon, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. As you can see in the screen that I have not unlocked the crew option, so I am not able to invite friends. But for you guys, you might be. You just have to tap on crew. Then on the search button or add friend option, tap on it and enter your friends or player ID username. Once found, tap add or send invite. When they accept, they appear in your friend list. Now just tap the name and choose invite to race. Then join lobby or add to crew depending on the mode. And that's how you invite friend in Need for Speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.